Friends, today we have a very important topic which is about gold and why the golden days are back and why we should buy gold very urgently. So now if you see why the prices will rise, why the gold prices will rise, I have created 12 reasons why it will rise, right? First is the countries like China, India, Russia also has a lot of gold, and many central banks are buying record gold. So what is happening is demand is increasing. As per economics, when demand increases, price also increases. So that is rule number one. Then BRICS payment system. This is alternate to the US SWIFT system, which is for international transfers. You require SWIFT. For within bank centers in India, you require an NEFT, right? RTGS. So for international transfer, it is SWIFT. It is on the SWIFT system that 50% of our international trading transfers, monetary transfers happen on this system, but that is getting replaced, will be replaced slowly with BRICS payment system. It's going against you. Already 160 nations have supported it. So what happens is when BRICS systems get strengthened, BRICS is supporting gold. So they will always be the gold. And also because of the structure of the BRICS payment system, which I will explain in detail. Confidence of US dollars in the treasury bonds is decreasing. So what happens? USD as a reserve, that is getting impacted because the reserve currency is getting added every day. They are doing reckless printing, so confidence is lost on that, the bonds and the US dollars. And that is why the alternate to that reserve bonds and all is gold, because only gold and bonds are considered the safest haven. So one of them safest haven is down, then the other automatically gets more share. So gold will get more share. Then debt printing, as I said, when the gold standard is starting and the debts, GDP to debt is high. So what happens is the gold standard they're going to go with. So countries will change from this debt, reckless debting, to the gold standard. And that's when that happens, gold will automatically go up. And gold standard, as I said, when every country start launching gold currencies, then gold standard will come into picture, and then that will make gold rise. Market and economics uncertainties, I told you, every time, whenever, forget about all these things, whenever there is a recession, whenever there is uncertainty in the market, gold prices rise because it's a safe haven. Most currencies are falling against the gold for many reasons, for many of those reasons. And that foreign currency against gold means gold prices are increasing. That is why you see gold is at all time high today. It will keep on growing, right? And then the new BRICS reserve currency. Now BRICS payment system is another thing, BRICS reserve currency is another. Already BRICS alternate currency to US dollar reserve currency, there is already there unit. This is called unit. The name of that is UNIT, unit. And 40% of this unit is backed with gold. So in this unit composition, 40% is gold, and the rest is the bucket of currencies. And these currencies currently they are not pegged with gold, so they will also be pegged with gold to be part of this unit. So this is again going to happen, and this is again going to be a big hit, big what you call hit in the sense, it will be massive adoption, it will happen. And that is why gold prices will go up. Many countries will launch gold back currency, which I said. So gold purchasing they will do. They can you to take debt in future. So even not only now, because as the gold prices are increasing, so government will try to buy more gold for the future also, not just for the current gold standard, but also for the future expenses, like for to safeguard the recession and all. They require more dollar gold, so they will buy more gold. That will increase the price of the gold. Then the gold cycle traditionally is 15 years, so which means every 15 years it has to complete one cycle, or a 20 year already that is coming now. So even if nothing has happened, gold would have really risen, because last 2 3 years you have seen, last 2 years specifically you have seen, but the acceleration of that has happened this year, and it will rise. Then countries will shuffle the foreign exchange reserves. So what happened is, currently the central banks of all the nations have some in reserves, some in dollars, some in euro, and some in gold, and some in other assets, right? PSUs or things like that. Now what they will do, they will shuffle this ratio, and what they will do is they'll do a portfolio rejiggle, and in that gold will get more share now.